Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down Strava paid versus free. Which one is worth using in 2025? Whether you are a casual runner, cyclist, or serious athlete, this video will help you decide if the Strava premium subscription is really worth your money. Let's dive right in. Overview. Strava is one of the most popular fitness tracking apps used by millions worldwide. The free version gives you the basics, activity tracking, GPS maps, and social sharing. The paid version, called Strava Premium or Strava Subscription, unlocks more advanced tools for training, route planning, and performance analysis. Free version features. With the free plan, you can record and upload your workouts using GPS, see your route, distance, and pace, join clubs, follow friends, and give kudos, and use some segments to compare performance. It's great for anyone who just wants to log activities and stay motivated through community engagement. Paid version features. Now, the Strava Premium, you get advanced performance insights like detailed stats, heart rate zones, power analysis, and training load, custom route creation and heat maps to explore new paths, segment leaderboards with age and weight filters, personalized training plans and goal tracking, plus beacon safety tracking, letting friends see your live location, perfect for serious athletes or anyone training for races. Pros and cons. Pros of free plan: it's simple, social, and totally free. Pros of premium: tons of data, custom goals, and advanced tools for improvement. Cons of free: limited data and restricted leaderboard access. Cons of premium: costs around $11.99 per month or $79.99 per year, which might not be worth it if you are a casual user. Conclusion. So here's the bottom line. If you just want to track workouts and stay connected, the free plan is more than enough. But if you are serious about training, analyzing performance, and improving over time, Strava Premium definitely pays off. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment on which version you are using, and see you in the next one.